Welcome back to Learn with Adeem. So today we are going to learn about some words that are helpful in our daily lives. So first is surprise. If you want to tell someone if you are surprised, instead say, I feel butterflies in my stomach. For example, look, I feel butterflies in my stomach. Second is very scared. For example, I am very petrified. Use petrified. The third one is freezing. For example, freezing means that very cold. Instead of very cold, use freezing. For example, I am freezing. So, use these words in your daily life, and I hope you will be happy from these words. Thank you. Bye bye.